Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And in this week's video, I am giving you a twist on a campfire classic. That's right, I'm bringing you delicious s'mores flavor without the fire. Oh, bars or nah? Like, all right. Anyway, if you want to see how I make these chocolate covered s'mores bites, keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Jumping right in, just go ahead and start beating up your graham crackers. We're trying to get them into some small pieces before we put them in our food processor to make fine graham cracker dust, basically. So I just put it in the food processor and pulse it for like a couple seconds. And now I'm adding it to my mixing bowl with some mini chocolate chips. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and finally our marshmallow fluff. Yeah, I don't recommend using the spatula right here. Just go ahead and empty the container. You guys, this is a great recipe to get your anger out. From the time you're beating up the graham crackers till you're mixing it in the bowl, you will get an arm workout. So I'm using my ½ teaspoon scoop to just go ahead and start forming out my s'mores bites. Just literally scoop, roll, place on the baking tray. So this part is crucial. Make sure you go ahead and put them in your freezer for a minimum of 15 minutes. While those are in the freezer, I'm going to start working on our coating. I've got some white chocolate melting wafers, and to them I'm going to add just a little bit of some coconut oil and then put them in my microwave for short increments until I get a smooth consistency like you see on the screen. So I'm just going to drop in my s'mores bite and go ahead and start coating it in the white chocolate and put it back on the baking tray. Then you can go ahead and decorate your s'mores bites as you like, and then you're just going to put them in the refrigerator to set. And once they're completely firm and chilled, go ahead and serve. You guys, my friends, really like these s'mores bites, and I hope you do too. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.